Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And there you have it, 21,000. Seems just like yesterday the Dow was crossing 20,000, and we waited for what seemed like forever for that to happen. But President Donald Trump spoke last night, and the Dow and the markets reacted, hitting all-time highs across the board, with big banks leading the most among stocks, with Goldman Sachs and JPMorgan hitting all-time highs, as the odds for a rate hike in 2 weeks swelled past 65%. And President Trump's address to Congress did little to alter views that his administration will seek pro-growth policies. With that, we'll take a look at where the markets stand, give you some key levels to watch through the end of the week and next week. And we'll start here with the S&P 500, currently trading at 2,388.36. Chart analysis score plus 100. Green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch the rest of this week and next week for the S&P 500 will be 2,321.42. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Gold is actually taking a hit, currently trading at 1,237.69. Chart analysis score negative 75, indicating a sidelines position for gold. Key level to watch for gold will be today, 1,263.58. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a long position. The level to watch the rest of the week would be 1,217.64. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a short position for gold. Something definitely to keep an eye on, especially with 4 straight days of down days for gold as we move forward, especially with the possibilities of the Fed rate hike in the middle of the month. Dow Jones, there you have it. You see it 21,057 currently. Chart analysis score plus 100. Green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch for the Dow will be 20,322.95. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ currently trading at 5,881 with a chart analysis score plus 100. Green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch for the NASDAQ will be 5,748.74. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. And we look at the dollar, it actually had the biggest jump here in 6 weeks, currently trading at 101.58. Chart analysis score plus 90. Issued a green daily trade triangle today at 101.22. Key level to watch for the dollar this week will be $100.35. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Crude oil currently trading at 53.93. Chart analysis score of plus 75, still with a red daily trade triangle here, and it's been trapped in a tight range. Saw a stat today that says this is the longest it's been in this tight of a range in 14 years, trapped pretty much essentially between $55 and $52.50 a barrel. Key level to watch for crude oil will be 54.61. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a long position. You also keep an eye on the 53.12 level. Again, 53.12, that would issue a red weekly trade triangle. However, keep an eye on the score. If you keep seeing that score bouncing between plus 75 and negative 75, it's definitely just in a sideways market waiting for a breakout above, I would say 55 before it would be a long position for me myself. Move along. Take a look at Bitcoin real quick, something I have in my active trading portfolio. Currently, chart analysis score plus 100, up around all-time highs at 1,218.28. This has actually been the best performing member of the market since President Donald Trump took over, with a 30% gain in February. Nice little, if you trade Bitcoin, something to take a look at. And then we're going to take a look at JPMorgan Chase and Goldman Sachs. As you can see, huge gaps up today on news that a rate hike is coming in the middle of the month. Currently trading at 93.14 with the chart analysis score plus 100. And we have Goldman Sachs currently trading at 253.62 after hitting an all-time high of 255.15 shortly after the open this morning. Chart analysis score plus 100 on Goldman Sachs as well. We'll kind of wrap it up with I pointed out Alibaba last week on a monthly trade triangle, and it showed on Friday how oftentimes there's a little bit of a pullback after a monthly trade triangle triggers. Currently back to the current levels where close to where this monthly trade triangle triggered at 104.57. Currently trading at 104.49. So depending on where you got in, you're either in the money a little bit or you're back to a break-even point. Being that's 5 days after the trade triangle trigger, looking good. All systems are normal for Alibaba with a chart analysis score of plus 100. Still looking for this to head higher. Every success. Have a great trading day, and talk to you on Friday.